Hello friends, welcome to my channel. To cleaning lovers, today I present to you the best type of smart vacuum cleaner, which is DreamTech D10S, one of the best types of cleaning vacuums. Before we start, don't forget to support me by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, activating the bell button, and sharing the video with friends. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Introducing the DreamTech D10S Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the DreamTech D10S Plus takes cleaning to a whole new level. Let's dive into its incredible features. First up, the self-emptying feature. Say goodbye to constantly emptying the dustbin. The DreamTech D10S Plus has a large capacity self-emptying base that can hold debris for up to 65 days. Equipped with advanced AI and LiDAR navigation, this robot vacuum effortlessly maneuvers around your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a thorough cleaning. Specifications: 1. Suction power, 5,000 pascals. 2. Runtime, up to 280 minutes. 3. Self-emptying base capacity, up to 65 days. 4. Navigation, advanced AI and LiDAR navigation. 5. Voice control, compatible with Alexa. 6. Cleaning modes, vacuuming and mopping. 7. App control, yes. 8. Dustbin capacity, not specified. 9. Battery type, lithium-ion. 10. Charging time, not specified. 11. Wi-Fi connectivity, yes. 12. Weight, not specified. 13. Dimensions, not specified. Self-emptying base. The DreamTech D10S Plus comes with a large capacity self-emptying base, reducing the hassle of frequent emptying. It can hold debris for up to 65 days, ensuring continuous cleaning without interruption. Powerful suction. With a suction power of 5,000 pascals, this robot vacuum is capable of capturing dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces, leaving your floors spotless. Advanced AI and LiDAR navigation. Equipped with advanced AI and LiDAR navigation technology, the D10S Plus intelligently maps your home, efficiently navigating around furniture and obstacles for thorough cleaning. Vacuuming and mopping. This robot vacuum not only vacuums but also mops your hard floors, providing a comprehensive cleaning experience. Long runtime. The D10S Plus offers an impressive runtime of up to 280 minutes, ensuring it can cover a large area before needing to recharge. Voice control with Alexa. You can control the robot vacuum using voice commands through Alexa. Simply give instructions to start or stop cleaning sessions, schedule cleanings, or ask for status updates. App control. Control and monitor the D10S Plus through a dedicated mobile app. You can customize cleaning schedules, select cleaning modes, and receive notifications or alerts. Got furry friends at home? No problem! The DreamTech D10S Plus is ideal for pet owners, with its powerful 5,000 pascal suction power that effectively captures pet hair and dander. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops. The robot vacuum's mop function leaves your hard floors sparkling clean, saving you time and effort. Worried about battery life? The DreamTech D10S Plus has an impressive 280-minute runtime, ensuring it can clean your entire home without interruption. And for those who love smart home integration, the D10S Plus is compatible with Alexa. Simply use your voice to control and schedule cleaning sessions. I've been using the DreamTech D10S Plus for a few weeks now, and I'm amazed by its performance. It keeps my floors spotless, and the self-emptying feature is a game-changer. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the DreamTech D10S Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Experience the convenience and efficiency of this advanced cleaning device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.